Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got this little. If you know me, I'm starting to do a bunch of gardening and things like that, and so I needed something to keep some of the bugs and not the bugs, but the animals away from my garden stuff. I don't want the dogs to pee on it. I don't want the rabbits to get it or anything else. So what do you need for that? You need chicken wire. So I got a little roll here of chicken wire, and let's see how this looks. I don't want to open it up too much because I'm not actually going to be putting it out completely today, but I want to show you all what it looks like. Um, Hopefully I'll be able to put a finished picture in there as well. Wow, there's a lot of cellophane if you need cellophane too. So it's also a package of cellophane. Okay, so here we go. Oh, well, we're at the end here, and I'll just show you that this, oh, now it's going to start unrolling on me, and I'll never get it back in there again. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. So this is the chicken wire here, and it looks like is it doubled up? It's currently doubled up. So this is what it looks like doubled up, and it looks like it is probably, oh, it's hard to unroll, maybe 2 feet wide. So I'm guessing it'll be a 4 foot section once it's two feet section. So it's two separate sections. So I don't know if I can get this thing apart without stabbing myself. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can figure this out here. Let me try to unroll it here and make it look somewhat reasonable. I'm just gonna sit on it's a little windy out here today, but okay. So this is a single section here. So there we go. We got them apart. So there we go. So there's what one section looks like. Can you see it from end to end? Probably from way back there. So that's what it looks like. So it's pretty cool. It's nice looking chicken wire. It seems like it's going to be able to fit my need and do what I need. So I'm going to say this is a very nice little piece of chicken wire. So now I've got it unrolled and unfolded, and it's back to being straight. So now it's not going to be all roll back up again very easy. So I'm going to say this is very cool. It's nice. It looks like it's made out of stainless steel. It's probably not going to rust very easy. And it comes with two of them. So I'll just show you the other one just so you can see that it came with two. But they are both pretty much the same. The ends are a little janky, like you see like that. So it might stab yourself if you're not careful. But I've done tons of chicken wire. You can't really see this way here, but I've done it all around the whole outside of the yard. So I'm good at keeping it good. So I'd say a thumbs up from me for this chicken wire. Doesn't really have much of a name on it. I'll find the brand and put that down below. But be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and the link's in the description so you guys can pick one of these up for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.